Welcome to PFTV. Sifethu DJ Fire. DJ Fire njani ntanga?
Angimnandi wena Mr. Mlambo.
Ngimnandi. I-game today ibone kanjani?
Yeah. Mina ngicela ukuyiqala nge-line up, you understand. I won't lie, mfethu line up. After I-red card yakazwanya, you understand. I was expecting to see Urele. That's why I predicted a win, you understand. Because I know Urele would give us at least a goal or an assist, you understand. Okay, Rele wasn't there. They put in Umbata instead of Rele, you understand. I think unfamiliar position for him. He didn't have the best of games, you understand. And I won't blame it on him. I'll blame it on the coach. Because why? I haven't seen Talent Umbata playing as a number 10 since Kupairex, you understand. William Tata on the biggest stage, you understand. He decided to put Umbata as a number 10. First half, it was what I expected from Talent Umbata, you understand. Bad decision from the coach to put in Umbata there. Going to your first goal, obviously when I just saw you replay, it was a comedy of errors in Tanga, to be honest. First of all, in fact, because there's no offside from Mitrovic. How do you let that guy run free? He was alone, you understand. I don't know what Mbogazi and the other guy was thinking there. But okay, Sabafalta. And then that striker put in a cross ball that went to his side like Mudi and Mudao, you understand? What is he doing in faith? He should have just went all in faith, young told. Uyaya Marangati Asava, Mayam Shera, 1-0 down, you understand? I have to give credit to the team. I think they recovered well. After that goal, I think Czech were not a threat at all, you understand? Just that Nati, we were still feeling them. He kept on playing in front of them. Too many touches. You could see the only player who was trying for me, it was Apolis, you understand. I thought the team should have took advantage of that. Just give the ball to Apolis, you understand. Because you can see, this guy is the guy that can come with a play, you understand. Okay, no right Mbazamgum Dali Sangara, who's the right wing, Masek. They tried to Dalisa Umaseko, but Umaseko now, you can see which is a sense of agency, but the critic is the end product, you understand. How many times did he manage to shuffle the ball, Amanuve, find himself on the right space, when he's supposed to cross, final product, very poor, you understand. But okay, you got us a penalty. I think, yeah, a penalty, I'm not even sure which is that ball was going on target, you understand. But good one. It's what I expect from someone like him, you understand. Penalty, and I think it was a fair penalty. They gave it to Mukwena. Once I saw Mukwena taking the ball in Tanga, I wasn't worried at all, you understand. Because I knew this guy is going to bury. We saw him when he was singing the national anthem. He was crying in Tanga. That shows how much it means to him, you understand. Took that ball very professional in foot. Aishaya, bottom left, you understand. 10 out of 10 from Mukwena. Overall in Tanga, for me it's a game that we should have won. Because the upcoming game is going to be very, very difficult. I don't think we're going to get as much of the ball as what we have got today. But we take the 1-1 throw, we take a point.
So as much as we play so well, which areas do you think we must improve more?
Yeah. Mudau I don't know what's happening to Mudau, you understand. But he really needs to catch a wake up, you understand. Because in fact he's not assisting us much in defense and he's not assisting much in going forward, you understand. At least in fact to get one of the two right. It's either you are bad defensive or offensive giving us something. But for him today, in fact, it was a very bad game. And I think where we need to improve on is that position, you understand. I think Spelevele must jump in, and I said it on the Porres Luti. Even the opposition that we're going to play, they are short in stature, they don't have the body. You don't need height or strength in that game. I think we need technical players who are able to mark and who are able to give us something when it comes to offensive. I think I'll pick out Umudau as well as Mudiba. Now he needs to improve. Just that I don't know must keep Umudiba so far. But I think he can keep Irating, he can keep that his position. As well as next game, we're going to need the rail as well, you understand? Today you saw we didn't have creativity, but as soon as you introduced rail, you could see like pocket passes, you understand? They're starting to happen, you understand? So I think right back and number 10 in that creative position is the two areas that we really need to look at.
Can you speak about these two men? Mbokazi performance today and also Talented Mbatha in the second half.
Yeah. I like the fact that you said Talented Mbatha in the second half because first half Untanga is non-existent, you understand? I don't remember Mbokazi giving us that performance who Orlando Pirates. But as I told you, he was staying out of position. Guess what? Second half he turned up. Why? Because coach realized Guti I made a mistake and then he sent him back to his natural position. I think in fact to Talented Mbatha second half in fact he had a decent performance. Mbokazi as well, I don't think he was marvelous, but I think he did the job as well.
Can you rate Hugo Broos in there for today? That's just another second last question.
Yeah.
Rate Hugo Broos.
Yeah. Coach Hugo Broos, man, hey, Umatala is very stubborn, you understand? Put Coco-Melon on it, you understand? It's simple, put Coco-Melon. You saw what happened in the second half, you understand? I won't fault him too much on his tactics, but I'm going to fault him on his starting 11, you understand? Relay is our best player in Mzansi. There's no reason why he shouldn't play in this big competitions, you understand? So if I were to rate him, Umatala, I'd give him a young 6.
Young 6, I think that's good. And man, last question, man. About the Rev, the performance of the Rev. What did you see today from the Rev?
Yeah, I remember it was very poor, you understand? Very, very poor. And I don't know, man. I don't know. Like every time we get a female referee, I'm sorry to say this, but in virtue, I see such performances from the ref. I don't know which he was planned or what. And even his assistant, our linesmen, they were females as well. I understand. Every time I see a female referee judging against the team that I'm favoring, I know which most likely she won't be on my side. I don't know what's happening, I understand. Bad performance from Urev. And I want to talk about the riding, the commentators as well. Those guys in Tanga, they have an agenda for it, I understand. Every time Mr. Mulda, you could see Uchi, you check, they're implying a riding, a low block, extremely low block, I understand. We're trying to find spaces. Those guys. South Africa, they're just playing in front of them. There's no one in the box. There's no. And that was bad in fact. I wonder if I was in charge of the remote. Or understand. That in fact, for me in fact, seems like it's like a riding, a propaganda of some sort, I understand, to put us down. But shout out to the boys in fact, they try.
You've heard it, Mzansi, DJ Fire giving us his analysis. Yebo, asibonge ntanga.